All right, folks, Strikes Auctions here, bidstrikes.com. We got a 2003 C Pro 206 WA walk-around cuddy cabin. You can see. Right now we're cruising about 20 mile an hour. Boat will do about 30, 34, somewhere's in there, topped out. Gas gauge works. Tachometer does believe work. Volt and speedometer do not. Has two fish finders. This one is new, but doesn't seem to power on, so I gotta look into that issue. And then we got a Lowrance down here. We got a Yamaha 4-stroke 150 on the back of it. You can see this here. I believe it's a 2011 Yamaha. So there we are. 2003 C Pro 206, so it's like a 21-foot boat. Already takes some weight going here. Does have trim tabs as well. So go ahead and set it down. So there you are.